Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Konica printer to your computer. First, carefully unpack your new Konica printer and remove all the protective packaging and tape. Find a stable, flat surface, like a desk, to place your printer on, ideally within a few feet of your computer. Then, connect the power cord securely to the printer and plug it into a working electrical outlet. This ensures your printer has power for the next steps. Now, let's choose how to physically connect your printer. For a direct link, a USB cable is a simple and reliable option, connecting one end to the printer and the other to your computer. If you prefer network printing, an Ethernet cable plugs into your printer and then into your router or network switch. For ultimate flexibility, many Konica printers offer Wi-Fi, allowing you to connect wirelessly to your home or office network. Once physically connected, you'll need to install the necessary printer drivers. If your printer came with an installation CD, insert it into your computer and run the setup program. Otherwise, visit the official Konica Minolta website, navigate to the support section, and download the latest drivers for your specific printer model. Follow the Setup Wizard's prompts, selecting your connection type and printer model to complete the installation process. Finally, let's ensure everything is working perfectly. Open a document on your computer and print a test page to confirm the connection. If the printer doesn't respond, first double-check all your cable connections to ensure they are secure. Sometimes, simply restarting both your computer and the Konica printer can resolve minor communication issues. You should now be ready to print with ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.